Hello everybody, and in this session we will learn how to multiply in Excel. Let's understand this example. We have the names of our few salesmen over here, say Mike, James, John and Karan, and we have the quantity of the amount they are selling and the amount. Alright, so we need to find out the cumulative value of the things that they have sold. So they have sold 5 items and per item is $10 each. So we need to find out the value of their total sales. So how would we find that? We will simply select the items we want to multiply. So like I've selected this one first, enter the multiplication sign, which is this one, and then select the other number which I want to use to multiply. And here is the answer. 5 into 10 is 50. I can hard code this also by typing in is equal to 10 multiplied by 3. That's another way. Alright. And you can also refer again like this. Refer the cell like we did earlier. Very simple. Easy way to multiply. You can even copy this formula. So you select this cell, copy it, and you paste it over here, and the formula gets copied. So 4 times 4 is 16, 6 times 8 is 48, 10 times 3 is 30, 5 times 10 is 50. So this is how you multiply in Excel. See you in the next video.